Good morning, good morning. Welcome to another beautiful morning in the countryside. Uh, Here in the rice field, Tanbo, with news. I finished the harvesting. It was pretty fun. I mean, I realized that I really love to make rice by hand. It was pretty amazing. Now, what I have to do is just wait for the rice to dry. Some of it I put it like 1 week and a half, like this one. 1 week and a half ago. So maybe this one will be, yeah, I put this one 1.5 week ago, more or less. So I'm pretty sure that the next weekend I can start just maybe trying to get this rice. This one I put it 2 days ago. So yeah, it's yeah, and then it's mixed here. I will just try to check by the color and about how it's going. Yeah, it's pretty beautiful. So that's the news. I really don't know how much I will get. So when I start like a processing and everything, I will have one estimate. I hope that from all this plot I can get at least 60 kilos. Yeah, let's see if I can get 60 kilos, something like that. So yeah, I'm pretty happy. I still remember when I was planting, and damn, so much hard work. Pretty enjoyable, of course. I enjoy it. Damn, it's a really nice day here. So now I just need to give him time and just checking every day to see that the structure is not like a fall or anything. But it's already there like 2 weeks, and it has been like some windy days, really windy days, because it's typhoon season now, and it's still there. It's 31. It's pretty nice. Damn, what a nice day. Yeah, so my plan for today, I think I will go to the house. I will try to make a little bit more cleaning in the second floor, but this is pretty clean already. And yeah, I will try to organize things a little bit more, just organize a little bit, like for when the cleaning company comes, they have like everything in the same room, easy to pick. Other than that, I will maybe try to start filling the pond the second time. I already fixed it twice, I mean with 2 different cement, so I might try to start filling again and see what happened this time. So yeah, so yeah, I will go there and I will show you a little bit more, and yeah, let's see. So thank you for watching. Harvest is done. Bye bye. Hello again. Okay, so I've been moving things from the second floor to the first floor just to try to, because almost all the other rooms are already clean, so I will try to use these two to put all the garbage that is left, which is not much inside the house. So let me show you the second floor. It's still a little bit messy, but not so much. It's getting pretty good. Yeah, I remove everything from here and I clean a little bit this one too. I will try to put these things down. The bed frame is gonna be a little bit hard. I might need to disassemble, and let's think. And in here I remove these things and I will put down not everything but just these parts, small parts that are like easy, because all this I can bring it to the recycle center, all that recycle center this sometime this week. So yeah, it's pretty good because at least now I can see through the windows, and the second floor has so much light in the second floor, which is pretty good. And so yeah, everything is getting pretty clean, and now at least I still have to move that inside the kitchen, but yeah, this part, yeah, already clean. So yeah, I'm doing a good job. So from now on, I was cleaning a little bit the pond, and I have to check what I can use to plug the exits, because I don't want to use something weird like I usually normally do. So I will try to look for some durable thing, and I will open the pond this week. So everything is going good. Everything from here will disappear. Yeah, all this garbage and these things too, everything will disappear. And after that, it's time to clean. So yeah, I will come back now and I will try to look for some something for the pond. So I guess I'll see you guys soon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.